Well, now that it feels like summer, it's time for backyard barbecues. But before you fire up the grill, it's important to keep food safety in mind. Every year, millions of people become sick as a result of food poisoning.
When you think about common foodborne illnesses, I think the number one we see is norovirus. So that's a virus that is commonly, if somebody's sick, it will get onto the environment around them, and that's easily acquired. You need very few viruses to actually acquire it. Other common foodborne illnesses are going to be salmonella and campylobacter. Those are frequently associated with raw poultry. And then another one to think about is listeria, which we commonly associate with raw dairy products and also with deli meats.
Dr. Donald Dumford is an infectious disease specialist. He says the #1 way to help prevent food poisoning is by washing your hands before handling any food. He also recommends keeping raw meat away from produce during preparation to avoid cross-contamination. So, for example, if you are chopping up vegetables, do not use the same cutting board or knife for the raw meat. Raw meat needs to be thoroughly cooked as well. According to the USDA, ground meat should be cooked to an internal temperature of at least 160 degrees. And red meats like steak, roast, or chops should reach 145 degrees and then rest for about 3 minutes.
As we enter the summer and we're having those picnics, we're having those barbecues, we do have to think about, not just safe food preparation, but safe food, we'll say handling and storage. So you really don't want things sitting out on a picnic table for long periods of time. If they're sitting there, that's going to allow the chance for bacteria to start to propagate, and that could increase the risk for people getting sick from it.
While anyone can get food poisoning, there are certain groups considered higher risk. They include young children, pregnant women, the elderly, and people who are immunocompromised.
Next.